Good day, guys. Good day. Welcome back to the weekly forecast. Right now, we are looking at Nasdaq. So we're gonna plot our weekly high and our weekly low. Weekly high and weekly low. Let's just take that low down a bit. That's our weekly high and weekly low. And we're gonna go to the candlesticks onto the 4-hourly time frame. Let's just zoom in. So zoom for that, you can see that we're in that downward trend, right? We did have our first touch and third touch, and we did have a breakout, and then now the market is looking like where it is it's gonna come back for a retest onto that area, where you can see that we do have that doji right there forming. So now we can see a retest forming, and then we're gonna be looking for buy directions, right, when the market does open. But yeah, that's gonna be it for Nasdaq. Taking a look at gold, we're gonna just plot our weekly high and our weekly low. Weekly high and weekly low. We are gonna go to the 4-hourly time frame and onto the candlesticks. Right on the 4-hourly on the candlesticks, you can see that we are in that bullish momentum, right? We did break above this resistance area right here. Then we've been hitting that bullish momentum, looking towards our weekly high, right? Looking towards that 2048 area. Currently we are on 1988, right? So now what you can see, because we did have this high momentum, if we go look at back at past transaction, you can see that the market can possibly reverse at this area right here, because this is an area of resistance. So we can be looking for reversals at that area, which will be looking for sell setup, or but should it break above and give us that retest, will take our buy towards the upside. But yeah, that's gonna be it for gold. Taking a look at Germany, you can see that we're gonna plot our weekly high and our weekly low. Weekly high and weekly low. You can see that we did hit our high area, right? Let's go to the candlesticks. You can see we did hit our high area or our resistance area with that weekly, right? Did hit our resistance area that there, and then now we did now take a sharp down upon resistance area. Of course, we did take the sell. Like you can see that we are in that bearish movement, but you can see we're also reaching that support area, right? At that support area, once reaching that, we might be looking for buy setups. Let's go to the 4-hourly time frame. Just zoom in to get a closer look. And on the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that indeed we are coming to that support area where we might be looking for buy setups. But you can also see that we did, while not necessarily hitting the support area, we did create a small support area right there, which is giving us a first touch, second touch, and a third touch, which is a triple bottom formation, which is a stronger form of reversal. So we might be looking to take our buy entry at this area upon market open. But yeah, that's gonna be it for Germany. Taking a look at the weekly calendar, you can see that on Monday we don't have anything, and then on Tuesday we don't have anything, and then on Wednesday we do have the interest rate projection, right? The interest for the states, and then on Thursday we have the initial jobless claims, and then on Friday nothing at all on Friday. But so we don't have a lot of fundamentals for the week. Taking a look at US 30, and we are just gonna plot our weekly high and our weekly low. Weekly high and weekly low. We are gonna go to the candlesticks onto the 4-hourly time frame. Then we're just gonna zoom in to get a clear view of the chart, and you can see that we are also in that downward movement, right? We are in that downward trend. We did have this resistance area right here, where the market, you can see, did come and retest this area a few times. We did looking at our first touch and our second touch. You can see that we do have our first touch, our second touch, and our third touch, and you can see this area, this is a strong downward area. You can see, plus we are at the area of resistance, So it did confirm that greater level of market changing direction, right? And you can see now that also we did have first touch that downward channel. You can see that the market might come back here before looking to go up, because you can see that this is also a strong area. But also, should the market now change and give us a retest here, we'll be looking to take our buy setup. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for the weekly forecast. So, like, share, comment, subscribe, and yeah, peace.